Hey there, Deborah Donaldson here with My SaaS Profits, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can customize your images so that they show up with your friend's name right in there, customized along with your birthday message. So stay tuned and let's get going. Okay, so here we are at my Facebook page, and I'm going to be walking you through Birthday Wisher so that you can customize your images with the person's name, and I'm going to share with you one of the biggest mistakes that people make with this Chrome extension. In fact, I made it and I got a little frustrated, but now that I know how it works, it is super easy. So I am going to click on Birthday Wisher up here at the top. And I've got it all set. I'm going to go to the settings here. And let's say I'm going to create a new message. You can do it as I said in the previous message, you can do it as a post message, and then these are the images that you've set. Typically, I've been using posts. I have not been doing too many private messages to people. So I would say the most common use is to do a post. So these are the posts that I've created. You can tag the person's name and put in a little message. You can put in an image, which I'm going to show you how to do. Again, happy birthday. You can tag the image, the person, and you can put in the date so that it's all congruent. So this one here, woohoo, person, to that day's date is your birthday, and then I included an image. So what you would do is just click on Create New. You would enter your post title, which is Happy Birthday. You would put in your message, and then if you want the day to be tagged, then you would insert the today tag. If you want to tag the person's name in your message, then it's the tag person. And then if you want the image included, then you would include this tag image here. So it's all very easy to set up. So the next thing I'm going to do is images. You can see here I have a number of images saved in my images setup here. Happy birthday, and where it says merge tag, that is where the person's name is going to go. So like I said, a lot of the other birthday wishers, yes, they say happy birthday, but they're not personalized, and you can't really pick the picture, and they're a little more blah. They're not as personalized. I mean, the person who gets this is going to think you spent a lot of time creating it, when really it's all going out on autopilot, saving you time. So as you can see here, I have a number of different birthday wisher images, and all of them have the merge tag, so it's going to put the person's name in there. Now, key. The biggest mistake that I made when I was first setting this up is it asks for an image URL right here. Enter an image URL. So what I did is I went to one of the royalty-free image sites like Pixabay or Pexels, and I just got the image URL and I put it in there, and none of these pictures showed up. It was like, what is going on? Why are my pictures not turning up? And so I'm sending messages with no image, and I was getting a little frustrated. It was like, why isn't this working? I know it's a great Chrome extension. Why isn't it working for me? So anyway, I contacted the person, and they said, oh, well, you need to use a program called Nifty Images to create the image with the merge tag. It is a free image website, and you can create your images, and it's free up to a certain number of clicks on your birthday wisher images. So it's going to actually be free for you for quite a while. So as you can see, I have come up here and I've got my Nifty Images pulled up. And these are all of the images. As you can see, I was testing this one here. So there's a couple of that. And I've got some other birthday wishers in here. So and this is like I said, it's a trial account, so everything is free until you reach your limit, and I am pretty darn sure the limit is going to take me quite a while to get to, so I'm not too concerned about it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click here on create image or data source. So let's click on this. Well, actually, the first thing you're going to want to do is set up an account. And then after that, click on that, and then you're going to go to personalized image. And with this one, you're going to select your image and upload it. So what I did is I went to both Pixabay and Pexels, which are royalty-free open source images, and I picked a couple of birthday images that I wanted and downloaded them to my computer. And then I brought them up here to this editor here. So select image, and then you can go to birthday wisher. No, that's not the one I want. Happy birthday. Here we go. We'll enter that. So it's uploading. And I think I didn't end out using this image because the sizing of the image is not correct, but you could fix that if you just went to a program that would size the image correctly. So I'm going to say, yes, optimize the image. It's creating the canvas. Happy birthday. There we go. So once you get the image into here, then what you're going to want to do is merge tag layer. And what you are going to use is the is the name here. Use merge tag. And you can see it's a little hard to see, but I'm going to move this down here. So it will put my name in there so that when I say happy birthday, it's going to say happy birthday, and then whoever this is going to, it's going to say their name right there. Since I'm the person logged in, it's got my name here because it's using this dynamic text. And then merge text options. I don't really care about that. So anyway, this looks pretty good right here. I may want to center this a little bit more. Happy birthday. And let's preview it. Happy birthday. And it looks like it cut off the merge tag. So close preview. I'm going to move this up a little bit more. Okay, and I'm going to save this. Name is going to be test 2, and I'll say submit. So it's saving this image. Okay, so now this, between the quotation marks, is the URL that you want to put into your birthday wisher. So let's say here, and you can see here it's got the merge tag, which is going to put the person's name. So I'm going to copy this, Control C, I'm on a PC, and then I'm going to go back here to Facebook, and I'm going to go back here to birthday wisher, and I'm going to go back here to settings, and I'm going to go to images, and this is where I'm going to enter in Control V. It's got the merge tag, and I'm going to say add. So you can see right there, it has, right at the very end, it has started with the name right there. So when it posts on someone's wall, it's going to have happy birthday and their name right there. So that is how you add images. Don't make the same mistake I did by just going without using Nifty Studios or Nifty Studio Details and create the merge tag. Now, if you want it to bring in some other information, like maybe the date or something like that, you can do that in the Nifty Studio. But you need to get your image set the way that you want in Nifty Studio, and then put the image URL right here into this where it says image URL. And this URL, like I've said, comes from Nifty Studio. So just sign up for a free account. It's not going to cost you anything. And this is how you personalize those birthday wishes. And I have got to say, you know, it is so nice to be able to wish someone happy birthday with a really great looking birthday post. I mean, it's colorful, it's got their name on it. And I don't know about you, but I really like getting those birthday wishes. And this really stands out because of the image. It would make you think the person just spent tons of time on it, but it's all done on automation, which is going to save you a ton of time. And the other area where it saves you time is you're not having to hunt through your Facebook friends and find out whose birthday it is and try and click on their name to wish them a happy birthday. This is all done, like I said, on autopilot. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.